Hi mga kabahay, I'm Agent J from MFR Real Estate Corporation. I'm in Gardenia Residences, located in Green Heights, Newtown Subdivision in Barangay Mayamot, Antipolo City. Tara po, i-check natin kung pinasok ng baha ang Gardenia Residences. Para mga kabahay, puntahan natin ang Gardenia Residences located in Green Heights, Newtown Subdivision in Barangay Mayamot, Antipolo City. So ito po ang Gardenia Street. So ito naman po ang Gardenia Residences. Sa mga kabahay, may 5 units pang available dito sa Gardenia Residences. So ang available is mga townhouses. Yan, kung mapapansin nyo, under construction na yung mga units. So yun guys, for the info, yung Gardenia Street is inayos po yung drainage and elevated na. Pinataasan po yung street na to. And then, good news dahil hindi pinasok ng baha ang Gardenia Residences. So tara, check po natin. And ito po yung proof na hindi pinasok ang Gardenia Residences. So yan, today is July 26. So yung mga kabahay, hindi po pinasok. Maayos na maayos po. So yung unit na to is sold na. Pero yung other units, I think mga 5 pa yung available for Gardenia Residences. So yun. So yung mga kabahay, so as proof, pinakita ko kanina yung loob. So hindi po pinasok ng baha ang Gardenia Residences. Good news po yan. So kung naghahanap kayo ng bahay near SM Masinag, LRT2, Antipolo Station, so tama-tama ang Gardenia Residences located in Barangay Mayamot, Antipolo City. For more info, site viewing assistance, please contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. Again, I'm Agent J from MFR Real Estate Corporation. Thank you for watching and God bless. Bye.